At first I have taken some oil in a pan and heated it nicely, and now we will fry the potatoes. I have kept the potatoes big in size, as you can see, as we use in a biryani generally. The potatoes are fried now. You can see, now we will take it out of the pan. Now in the same pan we will fry the onions. We will fry the onions till they turn nice golden brown. In the meanwhile, we have to cook the rice, for which I have taken water, to which I will add a bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and cardamom, strawberry, and some cloves, and let the water boil nicely. Some salt. The water has started boiling. Now we will add the rice, which I have soaked for half an hour. Stir it nicely. We have to semi-cook the rice, so don't overboil it. The rice is now semi-boiled. Now we shall drain it and keep it aside. The onions are now nicely fried, exactly as we use in biryani. Now we will take it out of the pan. Now in the same pan I have added some more oil, and now to which we will add some jeera, some whole spice, and a dry red chili. Now we will add the onions. Let the onions fry. To this we will add 2 green chilies slit from the middle. Onions are fried, so we will add the tomatoes. I've cut one tomato into pieces like this. Let the tomatoes cook nicely. The tomatoes are nicely cooked now, as you can see. So now we will add the spices one by one. Ginger, garlic and chili paste, dhania powder, jeera powder, Kashmiri lal mirch, turmeric powder, and biryani masala, and some curd. Now mix all of them very nicely. Give them a good, nice mix. We will add some water. The flame should be high, remember that. Add the salt, the sugar, and now cook them nicely. Mix them and stir them nicely, and cook till they separate oil. The spices are nicely cooked now. They have separated the oil, as you can see, at the side of the pan. Now we will add the potatoes that we have fried beforehand, and the eggs, which I have slit a bit so that the masalas penetrate inside. We will add some water. While, and then turn the flame off, and then straight away head to assembling the biryani. Now we shall assemble the biryani. At the bottom we have kept the egg curry that we have prepared earlier, on which we will sprinkle some onion fried. Now we will add some rice on top of this. Now we will sprinkle some biryani masala from top. the rice. We shall add some butter to this, and now the onions. Some biryani masala again. And now finally the food color. The assembling is done. Now we shall cover it and heat it in medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. So the egg biryani is ready. Now I shall mix it. So now the egg biryani is ready, and now I shall plate it. You can see how nicely this is looking from the top, and I'm sure it will taste heavenly. This is a very easy recipe. This is a very easy process. You just need to have egg at home and nothing else. So the egg dum biryani is ready to taste. It is already looking lovely and I just cannot wait to taste it. This is a very easy recipe and a very quick recipe, but a very tasty one. You just need to have eggs at home to prepare this. So I hope you will definitely like this recipe and give it a try at home, and come back to let me know how it turned out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube for more such recipes, and please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.